back to my channel. This is Chem. Today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial on this look, and I'm also going to announce something after this tutorial. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First off, I'm going to use this Prep and Prime by MAC Plus for my primer. Then the first thing that I'm going to do is to do my eye makeup, because last time that I did my makeup look, parang nagkalat yung eyeshadow ko here. So, mas okay na unahin yung eyes and then eyebrows. Actually, I'm going to do the eyebrows first and then the eyes. Tapos later na lang yung foundation. So, I'm going to do my eyebrows first. I'm going to be using this Real Lasting Eyebrow 24-hour K palette pen. I'm in the shade number 1. So, I'm going to do my brows. Again, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just doing this sa liking ko. And then I'm going to use my Anastasia number 12 na Spoolie. There. Now, moving on, I'm going to do my eyes. My eye makeup. Actually, I have no peg. As in, like, super on the spot. I'm gonna use 2 palettes. I'm thinking if I'm going to use 2. But I'm going to be using this Morphe 3502 palette. There. They're all like warm tone na mga orangey. Pero I'm going to use muna a primer. I'll be using this Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the variant na original. The purpose of the eyeshadow primer is the eyeshadows pop more and to make the eyeshadows stay longer on the eyelids. Pero you have the option to use concealer. Hindi kailangan ng eye primer. I'm going to use a blending brush, any blending brush na perfect for the base. I'm going to use this warm orange shade. This one. Excess. I love warm eyeshadows. Kasi I feel like my eyes pop out since I don't really use contacts. Like, pag nagko-contacts ako, I just usually, if it appears on like my photos, I just use a filter for eyes. Okay, I'm just going back and forth. Basta magpuno yung eyelids ng orange. Tapos, don't be shy to over-brush it towards the top. Like, sa may arc, banda. Hindi naman really super arc, pero dun sa brow bone, yung end ng eyelids mo, mas okay na sinasagad yung eyeshadow doon. Kasi I have small eyes, I'm Chinese, so I have the eyes, and my eyelids aren't that huge too. Okay, so I'm done putting on the orange shadow. Now, I'm going to use this different palette. This is the Morphe X Kathleenlights eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using the parang mustardy shade. Ito, this one. Ito. Per konti lang. Like, I just wanna go through my lids. Like, mabilis lang swipe sa taas. Not really sa ilalim, but sa taas lang. And see, look, may lampas na. I'm gonna fix that. There. Now, I'm going to use my fingers naman. So, terracotta meaning parang orangey. Pero more of like dramatic pa rin since glam naman yung peg ng makeup look nito. Okay, I'll be using this shade. Itong. See, I love this palette. It's so pigmented. But I'm going to be using the same brush from a while ago. Magdadagdag lang ako. There, so far, ito yung eye look. Tapos, I'll be using this palette again by Kathleenlights. I'll be using this white shadow here. Parang moon ata yung name yan. Sorry, I took off the shades na. So far, I like my eye makeup. Tapos, I'm putting lang sa my ear duct. And then I'll be using a different blending brush naman. I'm going to put a darker shade, like not black, but gray, from this palette by Kathleenlights again. This one. There. Now I'm going to get the other brush again, yung may orange. Tapos I'm going to reapply the mustard and the orange. Except, lagi yung sa taas. Since yung crucial part ng eye makeup, it's always the ends that are really obvious kung may mali. Kung may mali sa pagka-blend mo, kung patchy, or kung may lagpas na lagpas. Pag may lagpas, you have to use a concealer para maayos yung shape ng eyebrow. Okay. Now, we will do the lower lash line. It's better to use the same shades from this eye look na ginawa ko. So, I'm going to reuse the orange a while ago. Okay, now, we are sort of done with the eyeshadow look. Pero I'm still going to put lashes later and I'm going to use an eyeliner also later. But let's focus first sa face since tapos na tayo sa mga eyeshadow thingy na Jake. First off, I'm going to use this MAC concealer. MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. It's a full coverage concealer. Perfect for parties and glam looks. Full coverage looks. Isang pump, marami nang nalalagay. Now, I'm going to use my fingers again. And napansin nyo, I'm using concealer first before my foundation. It's better this way for me. Okay, now I'm going to blend. But first, I'm going to damp my sponge by using this MAC Fix Plus again. We'll fix the lower eyeshadow later. Again, I'm going to overlap on my lips so para talagang knock yung itsura na color sa lips. It's better to put concealer or powder on top of your lips before putting your lipstick or makeup. See how full coverage this MAC Pro Longwear Concealer is. Kilala talaga yung MAC concealer for me. Super full coverage. It's like I'm wearing foundation now, but it's just concealer. Okay, now I'm going to put on my foundation. So now I just got my foundation. This is the Marc Jacobs Remarcable foundation in the shade Bis Neutral, number 27. Yeah, 27. So it is a dropper, not really a dropper. Oops. Mukha na siyang dropper, pero hindi. Parang siyang may ball thing sa dito. Tapos, I just put, it's either you wanna put sa hand mo nga or sa face. Pero, okay naman sa face. Dot lang kasi super full coverage to. Since we are going for a full glam, might as well use a full coverage foundation. I'm going to put powder later pa sa face. I'm just gonna use face powder or powder. It is the floor setting powder in the shade yellow by Bakerie. It's my favorite loose powder. I don't actually have any specific strategy for putting my face powder. I just put wherever my oily parts are. Now I'm going to dust everything off. Okay, now let's go back sa eyes. I'll be using this para lang may depth yung eyes ko. I'll be using this brush para straight in dulo. Tapos I'll put like a brown, dark brown shadow from this Morphe palette. I'll be using this. Now I'll be putting the eyeliner. This is the Tom Ford Eye Defining Pen Style Definition in the shade Cooper and 01. this eyeliner is that it has two heads. The other head is for the big size felt tip, and the other head is for the small size felt tip. So it is very, very versatile. I suggest you use the small felt tip if you don't really know how to put eyeliner first. But me, I'm not an expert for putting an eyeliner, but I'd say I'd still go for the long one. My wing isn't perfect, but I tried. Okay, now for the left eye. Okay, that will do. I'm going to put eyeliner din sa baba. Now I'm going to use the Heroine Make Long Stay Gel Liner. It's just a rotatable pen type. I'm going to put here sa waterline. It's honestly so hard put pencil liner also sa bottom lash ko for the waterline kasi parang ang hirap maghanap ng maayos na gel liner. Oh, naputol! See? Like, I really put the product so hard kasi hindi siya yung pigmented, hindi siya naka-apply sa lower lash maayos kasi wala pa ako hanap ng maayos gel liner or pencil liner. But anyway, that would do. There, okay na yan. Tapos I'm going to put the dark brown sa outer corner sa there. Okay, so now I'm going to do my face makeup. We're done with the eyes. I'm going to put the lashes later. Pero let's focus muna sa cheeks and the bronzer, okay? I go for the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. Okay, now I just got my brush for the bronzer. Need to contour my face. Remember number 3 yung okay, number 3. Para perfect yung pagka-bronze. Not really bronze, kahit contour na siya actually. Kasi glam makeup. And then for the nose contour, mayroon ako natutong technique na bago. I don't know if saan ko nakita. I think I need tutorials. Pero you have to put the bronzer all over your nose. Okay? All over the nose. I know it looks weird and tedious kasi the bronzer ko yung buong nose. Pero swear, try ko na dati. Anyway, tapos I'm going to put concealer using my fingers again. I'm going to use this NARS Compact. It's the Pot Concealer of NARS in the shade Light 2.75 Chanel. I'm just going to put this sa gitna ng nose. Make sure na walang harsh edges ang concealer because lahat ng concealer ka pag hindi siya pagkitang edges. So there. I believe it worked. Okay, so now I'm going to continue my face makeup. I'll be using blush in Melba. I'm using my stipple brush from Morphe. Okay. Here lang, above the bronzer, stash contour a while ago. I'm actually going to mix 2 blushes. And then the other blush that I'm going to use is this Clinique Cheek Pop Blush Pop in the shade Peach Pop in 02. Since Flow Glam, our blush has to be snatched. And then, for the highlighter, this one I'm going to use is the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder in the shade Highlight 01. Here. It's a beautiful, not super shimmery, but very sheeny, if that's even a term for it. But hindi siya yung pack na highlighter. Tingnan. Pero sa skin, grabe. Full coverage siya na highlighter. As in, best. I actually heard about this product from Kathleenlights. I've been watching her ever since I was in high school. So, pag anything Kathleenlights that recommends, I go for it. Pero, when it comes to foundations, hindi ako masyado bumibili because her skin is dry and I'm oily. Combination. And then I'm also going to put sa Bravo. Now I'm going to put on my lashes. I'll be back. So I just put on my lashes. Now I'm going to put my lipstick. Okay. I'm going to use 2 lipsticks. So one is for outline and one is for the top coat. The first one that I'm going to use is NUDESTIX lipstick in their matte lip color, the Boho, in the shade Boho. So I'm just going to overline a bit for the illusion of that my lips were. Now I'm going to use my MAC lipstick in the shade Persistence. There, we're done with our makeup. Now I'm just going to put on my earrings and we're done. So that's it. I'm done with the makeup look, but this is the announcement. Drum roll, please. So I'm going to give out Rustans GC. Actually, GCs. Yes, you heard that right. So I'm going to give out Rustans GCs na 3,000 pesos. So worth 3,000 pesos yung Rustans GCs. And hindi siya, wala siyang expiration date. So all the makeup products that I've used in this makeup tutorial, not really all, but majority, they are all from Rustans. So, from the NARS products to the Laura Mercier, MAC, and Benefit, and yeah, basically yun yung mga na-mention ko kanina na products na from Rustans. So, if you guys want anything from the products that I used a while ago, then get the chance to buy it with the GCs that I'm going to be giving out. So, ganito yun. I'm going to give out the instructions or the mechanics when I reach 1K subscribers. So, yes, I'm going to give out, again, 3,000 pesos na GCs from Rustans if I get to reach 1K subscribers. So, yes, I hope you guys enjoy this look and I'll see you guys on the next one. So please don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and click the bell button for updates. See you in the next one. Bye!